Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is another video in my top 10 favorite apps. By request, we have had a lot of requests about people saying, well, do a top 10 list of apps. Instead of doing a separate video, one video with 10 favorites, I basically chose to do a video for each app that I consider in my top 10. And basically they're all going to start with the top 10 favorite apps. So if you just type top 10 in the little YouTube search in my channel, you'll see the videos. So today we're going to talk about another app that's on my top 10 list of favorite apps, and it's called Finance Helper. Finance Helper. If you go to the Microsoft Store, green icon with the shopping bag, and you just go into the charms bar on the right side, you just go into the search and just type finance, and you'll see the second one, well, one on the list, because this can change. You'll see Finance Helper. Just click there and you'll have the Finance Helper free version, totally free. So this is really nice. Finance Helper, once it's installed, will bring you this green icon, Finance Helper, right here. Finance Helper is a great little program. If you've got some problems in really actually getting your monthly budget right, and you're always short on cash and you're struggling to kind of remember everything, well, this is probably one of the easiest and best apps for you. This is cool because it lets you track your monthly budget, what you gotta pay, your bills, whatever you are spending, and all the money, all your income. You just put that in there. And basically, it's going to be an easier way to track all of that information. So basically, you go there, click on it, you get started. It says step 1, recurring budget. So first thing you want to do is set up your recurring budget. So that's the first thing you want to install. It's going to say, well, okay, you can see examples. So if you want to see how it works, and of course, you can get started and enter all the information about your recurring budget. So you click here on the recurring budget, and so you enter all the information that is asked here. So your monthly income or weekly income, your expenses. Basically, you'll enter everything that is your recurring budget. So it's basically your bills. You'll enter the bills. Most bills, it depends on what, because of course some bills are different month to month. Some bills are always the same, so you can enter that information. And so you'll be able to enter and know more about what's happening. So on the right side, you always have details and information about what is recurring budget and what every basically section of what it's going to ask you for your expenses and everything. There's a little explanation on the right side of what they mean, so you can understand what you should put in here and what you don't put in here. So you just click, okay, what is a recurring budget? You just click there, and it's going to give you a detail of what you should put there and what you do not want to put there. And basically it's as easy as that. It does seem to be quite easy. If you tap or slide up or right click, you have add, which lets you add the expense and the information, and then you click the save button to save it there. And so probably one of the easiest programs available if you want to do a budget. A lot of people use these very complex programs that are made to not just make budgets, but basically almost run a business. And the problem with that is that they are really complex, and they use a lot of terms that people just don't understand. So Finance Helper is as easy as it gets to help you control your monthly budget, and actually it can, you know, increase and make you less stressed out about, you know, the money. One of the biggest problems about people that don't make any budgets is the fact that sometimes they get short on cash because they spend more than they can, and they don't keep track of that, so they get kind of, you know, stressed out because at the end of the month you're missing, you know, 50 bucks to pay the rent or stuff like that. So this is a cool way to help yourself, and trust me, because I use a program. I didn't use this one, I used another program, but I plan to use this one though because it does look really cool. Basically, by using a computer program to help you track your monthly budget, I can say that first of all, you'll notice you have maybe more money than you think, but you have to be careful, and the program is going to help you understand better where basically your spending goes, and you'll know that, oh, okay, this extra spending that I'm doing here is something that I could use for something else, and you'll understand a little more on how to actually make your monthly budget work for you. So Finance Helper, free on the Microsoft Store, one of my top 10 favorite apps. And yes, I will be using it, and actually I'll be really using it. And if you need help with this program, something you don't understand, in the coming weeks and months I'll probably be able to help you with this, because I'll be really using this to the max to help myself with my budget. I actually use a really complex program to do my budget, and was thinking of doing it in a maybe an Excel spreadsheet, and why, when this program is so easy to use. So Finance Helper, free of charge, go and get it in the Microsoft Store. If you enjoy our videos, maybe you have that new Windows 8 machine, want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You'll be able to know when we have new videos online. If you have any comments or questions about what you've seen, let us know. And if you have that new Windows 8 machine, take a look at all the videos. We have lots and lots of videos showing you how to work through your Windows 8 machine, and hopefully really helping you go through and help you use that Windows machine better. And so if you have any comments, questions, maybe suggestions of an app, or maybe a request of a feature you'd like us to talk about, let us know. We'll try to talk about it. We'll try to do a video. And basically, by requesting such a feature or video, you'll be helping others, because you aren't alone when there's something wrong that you just don't understand. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.